What's up, guys? Today, Ruby wants to go outside. But actually, today we are going to do a taste test of potato chips to see which one I like better. Now, this one here, most of you probably have in your closet right now. The normal Lay's Wavy. No, neither of these potato chip companies are sponsoring this video.
These ones have canola oil in them. Yeah, bad for your body. Go ahead.
This one, Boulder Canyon, is avocado oil and has instead of canola oil. And can't find the ingredients, and I'm not going to spend 5 minutes looking for them.
I can tell you where they're at.
And then these ones are olive oil, which honestly I've never seen an ad for these. I think Dad's grill's smoking outside. So
Tell them what you're gonna do.
I'm going to take this blindfold and actually have it on me.
Oops. What'd you do?
Maybe. I
Did you
didn't
get it in the dip?
slightly.
Where?
I like the strap.
Seriously.
I think you put it. And now I can't see anything. Now I might be looking at you, I might not. I wouldn't know.
Oh, I have to find the chips.
The bags are like right here, you know?
I already have them in a bowl.
Oh, do you know which are which?
I do.
So we're going to do in the dip, what's the dip called again?
It is party dip.
Party dip. That's not sponsoring our video either. No one's sponsoring this video, though, so I don't have to do this. So,
All right, open your mouth. On a scale of 1 to 5, being 5 super tasty, want to eat them all the time.
1.
The dip taste okay?
The dip?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I almost like shoved it on your face. What about that last one? What would you give it?
4.
4. Oops. Sorry, I broke that chip a little bit.
That one felt more thick.
A thicker one? Okay, open. Oh, we forgot to like cleanse your palate.
Meh. Five.
That was a 5? Do you want to tell them why we started doing this taste test?
Can I take this off?
Nope, we're going to do it again.
I forgot.
Oh. Because I was trying to buy healthier potato chips and you wouldn't even try them with your dip. You were like, never mind, I don't want any chips. What'd you give that one?
4.
Okay. All right, and
Tweet. A tweet. A tweet.
oh, you have some on your lip. You give that one a 2. Okay. And there's still potato chips everywhere.
I can't see anything.
And I'm going to give you one more. Comparable size. Okay.
Four.
All right, do you want to know your results?
Yes.
All right, first round. You gave the olive oil, which, let's just say, it's potatoes, olive oil, and sea salt. Those are the only ingredients in these ones. First round, they got a 1. Second round, they got a 2. So see, the more you eat them, apparently they taste better.
What did I do? What did I put them the first time? I think like the highest they got was like a 3.
I don't remember. The first round, the avocado oil chips, which are potatoes, avocado oil, and sea salt only. You gave them a 4 both times. That's pretty high. That's very edible. And these ones, which are potatoes, vegetable oil, which is canola oil, corn oil, soybean oil, and or sunflower oil, and salt. You gave a 5 the first round, but a 4 the second round. So what did we learn in this experiment? Both times we did it.
I like these two the best.
Yes, and so you also learned that healthy does not mean gross.
I wouldn't say that.
Well, you like them, you gave them 4s. Did
Carrots.
you not? Well, carrots, whatever, they're not carrots. All right, anything else you want to say to your viewers?
Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and maybe we'll do another taste test sort of thing. Remember, look for Squire. If you didn't, try and find him next time. Goodbye.